The asset S&P 500, the date Friday, August 18th, 2023. All right, so I'm looking at this currently on the 5-minute. When I came to the chart, price was approximately right here. So I'm like, all right, there's some volume here. I've got the sentiment. But I was like, well, let me just wait, for the pullback. And I also, at one point, I had a 1-minute triangle in here too, but I've removed it. It was approximately right here. Because I also had like a 1-minute impetus level here. I think it was in my original 2-minute impetus was here. However, as higher highs began to be made, then I moved it up. And I think that was after no, I hadn't entered the trade yet. Yep, so I had adjusted my impetus level. It was a 2-minute triangle. And so I kept going back to the 5-minute. I'm like, okay, price has pulled back here. It's bearish, or excuse me, it's bullish, and it's bullish. Cool. Went to my 2-minute. Bullish, and bullish. Okay, cool. So I go ahead and I enter the market here where this vertical line is. Price goes up. I'm excited. Yes. And two, there was also the convergence. But then another thing too that I didn't disclose is I did take a peek at this, and I was like, this is a 35-minute triangle right here. And this is a downtrend, so obviously this is a pullback for the trend down. This is a correction. However, I still had in my head that price was going to go up to like this moving average on the 5-minute time frame here. I mean, price is above it. Well, I ended up getting stopped out. My equity guardian, it protects my risks and things of that sort. So it took me out somewhere in here. It didn't hit my stop loss. And I can appreciate that. Instead of, because in my MT4, had it hit my stop loss, it would have been significantly more than it taken me out up here. So I let the trade run just a little bit longer just to see, before recording this video. And actually I exited, where this vertical line is. That's what that means. I let the trade run a little bit longer just to see like if market was potentially going to go up. And of course it's, making lower highs. My moving averages are about to cross, losing volume. I still have some space right here. Like, there's a part of me that makes me think that this may give another push up. It may not push all the way up to where I anticipated my take profit to be. Into my take profit, it did go through this 35-minute trend line. So I was, I guess, being over ambitious. And then two, once I was in the trade, going back to 2 minutes, I notice this zone, this supply zone here. So price did continue to, it hit the supply here, it hit the zone here, and price just continues. It retraced here. Now it's just kind of consolidating on this particular zone. So those are my takeaways from today's trade. I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but I guess I'm becoming numb to these lessons, and it's good for my psychology. I know that I need to continue working on the skill to perfect it, and one of the key things is to have a strong psychology when it comes to trading. So when I start making more money or losing more money, I won't be psychologically affected by it. It's because my trading plan will be solid. It'll be locked. My entries and exits will be on point. And in either direction, my psychology will be locked when it comes to trading. It'll be unwavering. So lots of psychology lessons and aha moments, milestones being met and accomplished this week. Lots more work to be done. So close, yet it still feels so far away. But so yeah, now the CJ arrow comes on. It's about to give me the sale, which is what I should have waited for initially. Yeah, losing volume here. I mean, this could still be something, but I'll just add an additional, like, after screenshot, maybe towards the end of the day, to get an idea as to where this price went later in the day. But it's dropping, so I can see my moving average here is about to turn. And yeah, anyways, I'll stop there, stop rambling, but more to come. I'm not giving up, just more to come.